The Mediterranean diet is one of the most versatile diets, and many foods are allowed as long as they fit in your calorie count. However, eggs are one of the most nutritious foods you can eat, which is part of most diets. Can you eat eggs on the Mediterranean diet? Eggs are healthy, and they contain plenty of protein and healthy fats that are great for your body and mind. It is an affordable way to make sure that you meet all of your caloric needs, and it should allow you to have a great breakfast. However, the key to eating eggs on your diet is not to overdo it. Since we all know that eggs can be added to the Mediterranean diet, this video aims to give you some additional insight and see how eggs are beneficial when you consume them. We will also look at some of the many ways to incorporate eggs and make sure that it complements your Mediterranean diet. Can you eat eggs on the Mediterranean diet? No matter which diet you follow, you will find that eggs are always somewhere in the diet and added to help give you energy and boost your protein intake. However, this does not mean that you can eat as many eggs as you want. It would be best to keep in mind that there is plenty of fat in eggs, especially the yolk, which could lead to cholesterol. The white of the egg is where most of the protein is, and you can consume plenty of egg whites with your diet. The best way to approach this is to use the same method as many bodybuilders. For every 3 egg whites you consume, you can consume 1 egg yolk to help boost the egg's flavor and nutrients. 5 ways to make eggs Mediterranean diet friendly. Since eggs are important to your diet, you might be wondering how the best way is to incorporate them into your Mediterranean diet. The following tips can be used to make sure that you incorporate eggs into your diet the correct way. Here are some of the best ways to make eggs more Mediterranean diet friendly if you want to add them to your diet. Healthy omelettes. One of the best things you can do with eggs is mix them and create a healthy omelet. The great thing about an omelet is that you can use it the same way as a taco. You have the opportunity to add as many foods to it as you like to make it more nutritious and meet your calorie needs. One of the healthiest ways to consume eggs is to create omelettes with plenty of vegetables. The veggies should counteract some of the cholesterol from the egg yolks and add some more micronutrients to your meal. You will also be using fewer eggs due to the other foods that will spike your calorie intake significantly. Egg on whole wheat. One of the simplest breakfast meals you can create is adding eggs to your whole wheat bread. Whole wheat bread is packed full of fiber, and the fiber tends to fill you up. This means that you are inclined to eat fewer eggs to fill you up, and this will give you the perfect balance of carbohydrates and protein for your meal. Since the bread fills you up so much, you can reduce the number of eggs you use in the meal and rather eat more nutritious and healthier foods. Adding some vegetables or even fruit to the meal will increase the micronutrients you consume and turn your basic egg meal into something healthy for the Mediterranean diet. Boiling eggs. For most people, boiling eggs are a boring way to consume their egg meals. However, the yolk in the eggs is the biggest issue, and many people don't like separating the yolk due to it being timely and frustrating. However, you can easily buy an egg boiler that will help you cook your eggs in a couple of minutes. Once the eggs are boiled, you can remove the shell and have a hard egg. Once the egg and yolk are hard, you can easily separate them and consume only the white part. It should make it easier to separate your egg whites and yolks. You can add egg whites to almost any meal that you plan to consume. Choose free-range eggs. While this is not directly related to cooking, you might want to consider substituting your regular eggs for free-range eggs. Eggs from free-range farms will give you plenty of nutrients, and they don't have all the additives that you get from eggs that are sourced in bulk. These eggs are free from any unhealthy additives that could be harmful to your Mediterranean diet. Consider egg white protein powder. There is not much that you do with standard eggs aside from removing them from your diet. If you don't feel like cooking eggs, you might want to consider the egg white protein powder. If separating the egg white and the yolk is a tedious process for you, you can consider buying this product, which should help with calories. You can drink one of these shakes in the mornings, and it will add plenty of nutrients and protein to your diet. While it might not keep you full for as long as eating the eggs, you will get all the nutritional benefits that people get from eating eggs. Final words. Eggs are a basic food that is recommended for every diet. It is affordable, and you don't need to do much to make it perfect for your diet. However, we would like to encourage you to share your thoughts and show us how you incorporate eggs into the Mediterranean diet. These tips should make eggs more Mediterranean diet friendly. Thanks for watching our video. If you want more videos on Mediterranean diet and tips, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for getting latest updates.